Alright guys, let me get straight to the point. I bought these hyper tough socket holders, magnetic socket holders or trays. This was about $14. This one alone. Was I just decided I wanted to get the 1/4 inch one. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get the whole set. I already have the half. I got the 3/8. Might as well get the quarter. Well, while searching on Walmart again, came up with this Vevor brand. Basically the same tray. I'm sure it comes from the same place. But for $15, I get all three. I'm like, what? Ain't no way. So I order it. It came in the mail. I got this. This thing's amazing though. Like it holds well. Like it holds really good. Let me give you a good example here. Hold on. There you go. Holds amazing. Ugh. Take some force, but boom. So there's that. So let's open this up really quick. Oh, where's my razor blade? I don't know if I use this. So I hope this is a bang of a product, man, for the price. Can't beat it. Might try to return the half and the 3/8. So here comes out the first one. Oh wow, okay. Vevor. So this is definitely the half inch. Here's all three. The 1/4. Oh, this thing is cute. Look at that. Cute. And then here is the 3/8. Definitely the 3/8. So there's that. All right. So comparison. All right. Here we go. Here is the difference though. Length. It's probably like a inch and a half longer. Width is pretty much the same. Magnet, pretty much the same too. Wow. Huh. Well, technically, yeah, this is definitely the 3/8 one. Doesn't say anywhere, but I mean it's pretty easy to notice. Yeah, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way to this is up to 20. These are up to 19. So that's why it's a little bit longer actually. Color a little bit different. Let's put them in here really quick. So an 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I don't have a 20, but I do have a 21, and that fits. So that's even better, actually. Because of, yeah. And here's the 8. That was actually an 8, my bad. So, okay, so there's one difference. These are a lot snugger than these. As in fitment wise, the hole size, but I'm happy about that. More room, so you have thicker sockets. They'll fit in nicely. But at the end of the day, as long as I could fit it in quick, be all good. All right, so let's bring this over, and it's sticking to. Yep, it holds just as good. Yeah, can't complain. So now I just have to buy quarter inch sockets, which I already have the lows. I just need talls, so long ones, and I'll have all three. So I'll put the link in the bio. Yeah, I'll put the link in the bio. So I would recommend buying these Vevors. Or I mean, Hyper Tough is nice though. I like the color; it's a little bit lighter, but can't beat the price of all three for the price of one. Basically, maybe $1 or $2 more. But are you kidding me? So yeah, guys, it's a no-brainer. I hope you guys buy them. It's a really good deal. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and until the next video.